Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video I will talk about Gala price prediction and Gala news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Gala in 2022. Gala Games aims to set a new direction for the gaming industry by giving players back control over their games. The mission of Gala Games is to create blockchain games that you actually want to play. The project plans to bring creative thinking back to games and give players control over games and in-game assets using blockchain technology. Players can own non-fungible tokens, NFTs, and influence the governance of games in the Gala Games ecosystem. The Founders Nodes voting mechanism allows players to influence which games Gala should develop and which games should receive funding. In addition to buying NFTs for certain games, Gala Games also uses Gala, its own utility token. So far, Gala Games has released one finished game, Town Star, and an NFT collectible series, Vox. Since launching in 2019, Gala Games has grown to 1.3 million monthly active users and sold 26,000 NFTs, the most expensive of which was valued at $3 million. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about Gala. Gala price analysis. Will double top pattern return Gala Games price to January's low? The recent relief rally in Gala Games, Gala price, retested to breach support of $0.272. The evening star candle at this level indicated the completion of a bearish double top pattern. The follow-up rally could soon challenge $0.214, promoting a further price decline. The Gala chart shows a 22.8% downside risk if sellers pull the price below $0.214 support. The intraday trading volume in the Gala is $894.6 million, indicating a 9.69% loss. Amid the recent sell-off in the crypto market, the Gala STT pair formed a double bottom pattern in the daily time frame chart. On February 20th, the sellers gave a decisive breakdown from the $0.272 neckline, indicating a further downside to coin holders. The altcoin plunged by 22%, hitting a past resistance level of $0.214 mark. On February 24th, the coin chart displayed a long tail rejection candle at this support, indicating intense buying pressure from below. The following rally pumped the altcoin to the $0.272 mark, where the evening star candle rejection suggested the support is flipped to resistance. The MACD indicators show the fast and signal lines have recently entered the negative territory. However, the faded red bars on the histogram chart indicate a slight weakness in the bearish momentum. The Gala price turned down from the $0.272 resistance, registering a 14.6% fall in the past 2 days. The sellers are steadily pulling the price to the local support of $0.214. If they succeed in slipping the altcoin below this level, the traders can expect a 22.8% fall by resisting the January low at 16 cents. On a contrary note, if buyers revert the altcoin from the $0.214 mark, the coin price would re-challenge the overhead RSI $0.272. The descending 20 and 50 DMA shows traders are aggressively selling coins. Moreover, a bearish crossover among these DMAs could intensify the selling pressure. Resistance level $0.272, $0.361 support level $0.214, 16 cents second used today. Russian crypto buyers face swapping premiums amid economic crash. As Russia continues its invasion of neighbor Ukraine, the Russian markets are spiraling out of control, and an increasing share of the country's population is seeking comment. Samsung has experienced technical issues while introducing the Galaxy S22 phone in the metaverse, but not everything went smoothly. The South Korean multinational electronics company showcased the new Galaxy S22, Galaxy S22 Plus and Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra models on screen at the Samsung 837X Connectivity Theater. Metaverse fans could also watch the action live on Samsung's YouTube channel and other social platforms. In the first 11 hours since its launch on February 9th, over 10,000 users have participated in the Samsung Unpacked 2022. The Epic smartphone standard, making it one of the most popular Decentraland (MANA) events to date. Despite complaints about technical difficulties, attendees said they were pleased with the South Korean electronics company's willingness to embrace emerging technology and focus on sustainability. Theoretically, users could pre-order new products by clicking the icon, which would take the user to the Samsung website. However, technical issues have plagued this feature, and many people have complained about it on Samsung's Twitter. Is this a site glitch? I can't even check out in my shopping cart, one user asked. Another user responded by saying that the same thing happened to him. They added that it looks like scalpers and robots are trying to outshine everyone. Meanwhile, others complained that they failed to get the NFT badge reward for completing the Turn Red Hearts Green treasure hunting game. By the way, it is reported that this quest will last 5 days and end on February 14th. Upon entering the Samsung 837X space, a hologram prompts users to find and collect 5 discarded cardboard boxes to receive a gift. The gift turns out to be a seed to be planted in Samsung's virtual forest to highlight the company's commitment to sustainability. In exchange for planting seeds, users must receive a heart icon. To get the real gift, they need to go back on Valentine's Day. It kinda symbolizes their love for the forest, to exchange the badge for an exclusive new wearable. Despite the technical challenges, it seems that users have generally been pleased with Samsung's focus on climate issues and willingness to embrace evolving technology. One user who attended the event, Queen, said he liked the sustainability aspect of the event. Many people say that the metaverse separates us from the natural world, but this challenge proves just the opposite. On the other hand, some of the mainstream media that reported the launch weren't overly impressed. Knet didn't hold back, writing that it was an example of what not to do when using the metaverse to launch a product. If you are looking for Gala price forecasts for 2022, 2025 and 2030, then you have come to the right place. We will share some of the most anticipated questions that seriously require attention and accurate answers. In recent months, investors have shown increasing interest in the crypto space due to its rapid price growth and want to know the answers to these frequently asked questions. Is Gala a good investment? How much will Gala cost in 2025? Or how much will Gala cost in the next 10 years? Gala price prediction 2022. Volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict and keep up with current prices. This is where many cryptanalysts come into play. Price projections are correct for the years indicated. Cryptocurrency consumers remain concerned about cryptocurrency bans and new restrictions. Gala could cross 33 cents if the market sees a nice bull run in 2022. Given that it is expected to be owned by long-term investors, its average price for 2022 will be around 28 cents. Gala course prediction 2023. Gala will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the Gala course will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2023, the Gala rate will be almost 38 cents. The maximum bet we can get is 47 cents. Gala the average price forecast for the end of 2023 could be around 40 cents. A huge price turnover is expected in the range determined by the cryptocurrency market. Gala course forecast 2024. Galas have great potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in Gala, the price could rise much higher. By 2024, it may reach a maximum value of 67 cents. Gala is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2024 could end with an average price of 55 cents, a minimum price of 53 cents, and a maximum price of 67 cents. Gala rate forecast 2025. It appears that by 2025, Gala prices will reach a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2025, we can expect the average rate to be 78 cents. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that the maximum price of Gala could be up to 92 cents in 2025. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. Gala rate forecast 2026. The current Gala price range may be of interest to many traders, and therefore Gala could reach $1.32 by 2026, with significant cooperation with financial institutions, if the following requirements are met. With an average rate of $1.10 for 2026, it could beat the last price trend and reach new highs. The bet slogan may vary as the crypto market may see another bull run on its way to 2026. Gala course prediction 2027. The cost of Gala will rise, thanks to the efforts of network developers and community investors. Therefore, the settlement price for the year 2027 is bullish. Gala is expected to reach a maximum rate of $1.83 by the end of 2027, according to analysts. On the other hand, it is very optimistic that the future of Gala will eventually grow.